Most of the time, when you cannot sign into your Microsoft 365, you don't see any error, but the app does not allow you to enter your credentials. And if this has happened to you, there's no need to worry, as we have put together a small guide to quickly fix the problem. Now start with some basic troubleshooting, like checking if your account is not locked, and check your password manager to ensure using the right credentials. Also, you have to look at your keyboard layout in case you have accidentally changed it and you're typing in the wrong characters. Then, restart the app and reboot your computer. If that did not work, remove stored credentials. To do so, launch Control Panel, head to Credential Manager, select Windows Credentials, check the generic credential list, click any credentials belonging to Microsoft 365, and select Remove, and confirm the action in the pop-up window. Now once your Windows removes the credentials, restart your computer and try to sign into Microsoft 365 again. Lastly, you should try repairing Microsoft 365. All you have to do is search for apps and features, find Microsoft 365, click More Options, click Advanced Options, scroll down, and click Repair to start the process. Now once the Windows finishes preparing the app, try to sign in again, if it won't let you sign in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.